Okay, thank you very much for uh, going along with me in the 6 days journey of becoming client centric New Age Bachelor therapists. I'm sure it's been a very fulfilling and enriching experience for you because for me, every time I do this, and this is the 15th batch, I have something to learn and take away. So I'm very grateful to you all also for some insights, some learnings, some discoveries that I've made along the way as I walked along with you with the 6 days. Just to remind you that you have a huge role to play in the world when you go out because the incidence of mental and emotional illness in the given circumstances is rising by the day, and they aren't very meaningful therapists. So while I know you would like to self heal yourself, but your self healing and other healing can happen together. So please get prepared. You will all be added a support group on WhatsApp. I will share the link to the Facebook group. And of course, we'll be meeting once a week, provided you are available for the AMA sessions. Ask me anything. So, with that, I would request each one of you to share your experience last 6 days and if there's a message that you have for the world. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Healing, I've understood that healing is subtle disease comes from emotions of mind. And working with this group of people, as well as with a wonderful master like Indranil, has been very enlightening. It's been structured. There has been practical and conceptual insights, and it's a very very exciting journey that I have begun, and I'm very grateful to Indranil and the group for the learning so far. Hopefully, I will grow and become a successful, and I'm able to help people with Vajpala remedies.
My batchmates, and to you, Indranil, is a huge thank you. I am so grateful to you all for being a part when I'm starting this journey, because just in the last uh, 1 week, I have learned so much more through your sharings and the safe space that this group has provided me. You know, it's a special space when you can share your vulnerabilities, feeling safe. And of course, the learnings are amazing. I am just beginning to think that this is, like Indranil was sharing that when you meet a client, you just see the tip of an iceberg. So I think that regarding the Bach flower remedies also, I have just touched the tip of the iceberg in the first these last 6 days, and there's a whole ocean waiting to be discovered. And in the process, I hope to heal myself and the clients, because the beautiful thing that Indranil said, that you're not just healing the client, you're healing yourself through them. So that was a very special learning for me. So thank you, Indranil, and thank you all for this wonderful space.
Well, I contacted you in the month of December 2020, and I was just not getting the time. So finally, I completed this in March 2021, and in December I had specifically asked you that I have done batch club, okay, but still not able to get it into my energy body, into my aura, like my other learnings are. Okay, they are very much into my being. So then Indranil had said that can we talk, and we had talked, and he had promised me that it will be an unique journey, unique learning. And Indranil, yes, it has been unique. The way the track, then the inside and outside flowers were discussed, not to forget the client's centricity, that is always there. So being into energy field, I know that. But to emphasize on that, and you have not devoted too much of time on the remedies in itself, like this does this that, its spiritual meaning and all that stuff. Instead, straight away it was, yeah, okay, 2 days of remedies, because the manual is there are books for that. What you did was, which is not available anywhere else. Yeah, of course it is again available, the track remedies are there, the inner flowers, outer flowers, everything is there, but how to assimilate them and bring it into your client centric practice. Though I'm not sure that I'm going to do that, but yes, it has been very unique. I have loved this 6 days, and I'm going to use it more and more. And never say never. Who knows? I might be practicing it, professionally. And thank you, all of you, Kanupriya, Sujata, Louise, Shivraj, Sandhya, and of course, Vini. It has been a wonderful journey. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Hi everyone. This is Shivraj. I'm a beginner. I hardly heard about the batch flowers earlier, and as a beginner, when I spoke to Indranil sir, he said, "Okay, you can do it. You can continue." I was not so much confident about myself getting into batch flower, but in spite of all my hindrance or all my hesitation, Indranil sir has dragged me inside this. Yeah, obviously he is constantly there to support and teach us and guide us. I also thank all the batchmates, all of you to encourage me and encourage everyone in this class actively. And it was a nice journey for me to begin with. I'm looking forward to learn more and more these things. I first try on myself and then get confidence about these things. And obviously, I am sure that I'll continue these things in future.
Thank you so much, Indranil. In Arabic, there's a word, maktoob. It means pre-written. Everything in life is pre-written, preordained. What served as a catalyst to my coming to Bach Remedies was a conversation with Indranil. He had mentioned, you don't seek out Bach. Bach seeks you out. And when it comes into your life, you are no longer the person that you once were. I believe it now more than ever, because I don't think I am the person I was when I started out this course. I have changed, and I have changed for the better. I know that I can take life head on. I have learned everything from each one of you. Each one of you have taken a part of me and given a part of you to me. So I am no longer the person that I once was. The course was beautiful. Indranil is the classic example of iron fist in a velvet blouse. He was reprimanding at times, firm at times, a ball of mush at other times, but the classic example of how a sensei should be. And I owe him, and I have a heart filled with gratitude for that. And I thank each one of you for experiencing this journey with me. And Indranil, it's been one hell of a ride. Thank you so much for being with us at each and every step. Thank you, Sensei.
So with that, I wish you all the very best. This is the beginning of a journey. It's not an end. And we are going to stay connected.
Yes.
And as Shivraj said, it's not just Shivraj, but we'll continue to learn and continue to go into the depths of this unfathomable ocean. Yeah, it is an ocean. I am finding it to be an ocean. Every day there is a new depth to be scaled. Awesome. So thank you very much.